Alright, let's be honest. Starting trading feels like standing in front of a rocket ship with no manuals, screens everywhere. People yelling about indicators, someone trying you need $1,000 and $10,000 setup, and you are just sitting there like, what's now? I get it. I was the same. So in this video, I'm gonna give you like the exact beginner's roadmap. I wish I had like step one. Do this step two, do that. No bluff, no more complicated garbage. If you're brand new, this is how you actually start trading. And yeah, don't worry. You won't need five monitors or a PhD in economics, just one laptop, a chart, and some patience. So, step one, choosing your market. The first decision, what markets do you even trade? Stocks, Forex, crypto. Everyone's shouting one is better, but here's the truth, the basics are the same. Stocks are a bit slower, perfect if you like steady pace. Forex is the biggest market in the world. It moves 24 out 5 and it's fantastic if you like the structure. The crypto. Well, crypto is wild. It's open 24 hours 7, can double in a day or wipe you out in a day. My advice. Pick one, stick to it for at least 6 months. Don't jump from Bitcoin one day to Tesla to the next to USDJPY after lunch. You will end up confused. Hey, hey, think of it like think of it like dating. If you date 10 people in 1 week, you won't actually how any of them same thing like with mark. Step 2. The tools you need and don't need. Here's a big myth. You need some insane setup to trade. Bro, no. Do the Instagram traders with fixed monitor and RGB keyboard that's for flexing, not for trading. What you actually need is very best. A broker, that's where you place trade, a charting platform. My go-to is TradingView because it's clean and works everywhere. That's literally it. You don't need to spend $2,000 on software. You don't need a Bloomberg terminal like Wall Street. Hey, hey. I started with a beat up laptop that overheated every 30 minutes, and guess what? It still works fine. Don't overcomplicate the tools. Okay, now what do you actually study? Not 100 things, please. Just focus on these three concepts. Trend is price moving up, down, or sideways. That's your context. Support and resistance. Key levels where price reacts marks them cleanly. Don't overdo it. The risk management. This is the killer. Decide before you trade how much you are willing to lose. 1%, 2%, set it and forget it. That's it. Forget about memorizing 25 indicators, forget harmonic patterns and Fibonacci spiral. Most beginners don't annoy. If you just learn trend plus level plus risk, you are already in the top 20 of beginners. And trust me, you'll sound super smart at parties you just knowing what a support level is. So, okay, step 4, beginner strategy that works. Now let's put all together. You need a starter strategy that visual, clean, and works across market. My favorite beginner one is breakout and retest. Hey, hey, here's how it goes. Mark a key support or resistance level. Wait for price to break through it. Don't jump in yet. Let price come back and retest that level. If it holds, enter in the breakout direction. Stop loss goes just below the retest candle, target the next obvious level. It's simple, repeatable, and it teaches you discipline. Look, this isn't gonna make you a millionaire in a week, but it'll stop you from gambling, and that's what matters as a beginner. Imagine it's like testing a bridge. Don't just drive your car across because it looks strong. Wait for the test. the retest, then cross apples, same thing with price. Okay, so step 5, avoiding rookie mistakes. Now let me save you months of pains with 3 rookie mistakes. Number 1, our leverage. You will see brokers offering the 100x leverage. That's a trip. It's like gambling with nitro. You'll blow your account in a day. Number 2, our trading. Most trades doesn't mean more money. One good trade in a week is better than 20 random ones. The number 3, the rookie mistake is trading with rent money. Geez, if you are trading with money you can't lose, you will make emotional bad decisions. I've been there, trust me. Stress kills good trading. You don't need to post your $10 trade on Instagram with rocket emojis. Just focus on learning. The money comes later. So, if you're brand new, this is the roadmap. Pick your market, get basic tools, learn trend plus levels plus reach. Start with breakout, retest, and avoid rookie mistakes. Boom, that's it. Trading is simple but not easy. If you can cut the noise, you'll survive well longer than most people. Now I wanna hear from you. What market are you starting with? Stocks, Forex, or crypto? Drop it below. And if you want me to turn this into a full beginner series, just type guide in the comment and I'll make it happen.